another week older. And as you can hear, it's been raining puppies and dogs all day, which means we don't get a lot of outside time today. The big dogs, they love the rain, but I don't love the smell of wet dog and the amount of mud that they track in right now. But we are in our guest house right now, which is our guest house. And we have a few meet and greets with a few of the owners today. This is just a time for new owners to come meet myself, meet their puppy, meet the parents before the puppies go home. So they get an idea of what the puppy's personality is like. And then the puppy gets a chance to interact with them as well. And everybody's just here sleeping. Ooh, right there. So we have a few families coming to visit today. But these chunkers are getting so big. Right, Judith? I know the lighting. There we go. Right, beautiful? She's a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Okay, here, I'll let you go back. There you go. And the first family is Judith's family. So they'll be here. I don't really have a watch, but they'll be here in just a few minutes. And they're so excited to meet her, and we'll be able to get some footage. Okay, puppies have been visited. Majority of their owners have. Some owners have come today to see their puppies. A few owners live a little too far away, this big guy here, Jalal. Jalal is actually going to New Mexico, so his owners weren't able to meet us here in Ontario for the meet and greet. So Jalal's owners unfortunately weren't able to make it. Judy's owner is going to be doing a face call or FaceTime with us to view her, just because once again we live in the boonies, we live in the middle of nowhere, so we understand that people might not want to make the 2.5-hour drive from the city to come meet their puppy. So we'll be doing a video call with Judy's family. We have some other people coming tomorrow to see the puppies and to play with them and help with interaction. Because of where we live, we're fairly remote. So we always try our best to have as many people come through to see the puppies, to play with the puppies, to interact with the puppies. And interact with the puppies. So they can get as much socializing as possible at a young age. So, in other news, Mama Juvia has officially been weaned from the puppies. It was a little faster than we anticipated, but the puppies are being extremely rough with her when it comes to nursing. And even though we trim their nails, we can't trim their teeth, and they're starting to cut Juvia. And the cuts are not looking very comfortable, and she does not want to nurse them anymore. She still wants to be around them, but she does not want to nurse them because it is quite painful for her. So we have opted to separate the two. Juvia is now not nursing them, And she doesn't really spend too much time with them anymore, and to get them ready, the puppies, ready for being on their own without her. So Juvia is part of our guardian home program, so she does live with another family. With this being her retirement litter, she'll get to go back to that family and just enjoy her retirement years there. That way it's not such a stressful transition for an older dog to be placed in a pet home later on in life. This way it's just a seamless transition. She just goes back home to a family and a place that she's comfortable being. But Juvia still has quite a bit of milk that's coming in, so we actually have to, as if she was a cow, help express that milk. Just a little bit each day so her body stops producing the amount that she thinks she needs to feed 10 puppies, and then her body will absorb the rest of that nutrition for her and help replenish her. But it's like, hi Jeff. It's like milking a cow with her because she just has so much milk. But she also had to feed 10 puppies, which is a lot. Right, Jeff? Sweet boy. Yeah, Jeff doesn't have a home yet, so if you want to take Jeff home, he's still here. Right, Jeff boy? And, well, just like that, I guess the puppies are another week older. And another week closer to starting their own adventures in their new homes. And I guess next week there'll be 7 weeks. And 7 weeks brings its own adventure. So we'll enjoy week 6. And I swear by next week they're going to be double the size. They're going to be real dogs. Not little dogs. They're going to be real dogs. Why are you looking like that? Hold on. Hold on. Here. Better, Julie? She's just so unimpressed. Do the Julie stare? Mwah, I love you though. Alright, we'll see you at week 7. Boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. Oh, lol.